Hey guys, welcome back to Interesting Studios for another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really easy toy for a friend or for yourself. Really great fidget, and it's really easy, really quick. So what you're going to need is 2 pieces of paper. You can do it with 1 piece of paper, but if you want a pattern, I recommend 2. I'm going with the Christmas colors, green and red. I think they clash really nice. So what you're going to do is you're going to take 1 piece. And you are going to cut a strip. Just about this. This should be good. It should be, the width should be about the size of your fingernail. Okay? Then you're going to cut 1 more for the red. Okay, so I've got 2 strips of red. Then you're going to take your green, and you're going to do the exact same. Thank you so much for watching Interesting Studios. It's our new channel. You can check out our my other channel, Glass Cow Inc. There will be a link for it in the description. Comment below if you want us to try any experiments or you have any great ideas for us. Okay, so we've got 2 reds and 2 greens, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to take some adhesive tape and you're going to tape the 2 reds together like that with as minimum overlap as possible. Just like that. And we're going to do that with the same for the green. As you can see, you just need paper. Oh, by the way, I'm using hard construction paper, like cardstock paper, because if you want this to last for a while, I recommend it because it won't rip. With regular paper, you never know, it'll last you maybe for a month, and then you might get a tear, and then you'll have to be really careful with it, and it's just a hassle. So cardstock will last you for a much longer time. Okay, so now you have your 2 strips taped right in the middle. Okay? Now, what you're going to do is you're going to take your red strip and your green strip and go right like that. You see how they fit? And just right like that. And you're going to take that. Want to make sure this is strong because this is the foundation. There you go. All nice and taped. Now, okay, so you have the red on the bottom and the green on top, okay? So, the red's on the bottom, you're going to fold the red first. You're going to fold whichever one is on the bottom first, right over, just like that. Then you're going to fold the green over, just like that. and you're going to continue. Red, green, red, green, red,
green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red.
There's a little progress track. Green, red,
Just like that. And we're going to do same for the green. As you can see, existing paper. Oh, by the way, I'm using hard construction paper, like cardstock paper, because if you want this to last for a while, I recommend it because it won't rip. With regular paper, I don't know, it'll last you maybe for a month, and then you might get a tear, and then you'll have to be really careful with it. And it's just a hassle. So cardstock will last you for a much longer time. Okay, so now you have your two strips taped right in the middle. Okay. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to take your red strip and your green strip and go right like that. You see how they fit? And just right like that. And you're going to tape that. Want to make sure this is strong because this is the foundation. There you go. All nice and taped. Now, okay. So you have the red on the bottom and the green on top. Okay? So, the red's on the bottom, you're going to fold the red first. You're going to fold whichever one is on the bottom first. Right over. Just like that. Then you're going to fold the green over. Just like that. And you're going to continue. Red, green, 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 red. And do the progress track. Green, red, 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 green, red. So remember, you want to try to keep the square formation as much as possible. Red, green, red, green, red, green, red, red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red. Come near the end. Green, red, green, red,
green, red, and green, and red. The final one. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some tape, and I'm going to tape this last square. Just like that. And I'm going to tape this last square. Just like that. There you have it, folks. You have your toy. Check it out. It's like a little worm. Accordion. So, it's really cool. You can stretch it. You can make it into like a little bracelet. You can mold it up. It's really nice. It compacts really nicely. And you can play great games with it. You can make it bounce. You can throw it. It's really cool. You can make them very long and very short, just depending on how much paper. Like you can make some that are only 1 green and 1 red instead of 2 green and 2 red. Very easy material that I have around the house. You can make really cool designs. See how long you can make them and stretch them out. Look at that. Looks so cool. So I hope you enjoyed this video today. Thank you so much for watching Interesting Studios. I hope you enjoyed this video and watch our other experiments. Thank you.